Hi children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a new topic, partial fractions. To watch more educational videos, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Before we start to learn partial fractions, let's try to simplify these algebraic fractions. Here we have to add 4 over x minus 3 to 2 over x plus 1. Initially you have to get the LCM of these denominators x minus 3 into x plus 1. So the denominator would be x minus 3 into x plus 1. Then we have to see whether how many x minus 3 terms are there for x minus 3 into x plus 1. The simple way of understanding is cover x minus 3 from this denominator. What is the remaining term? Remaining term is x plus 1. Therefore, you have to multiply 4 with x plus 1. Now see whether how many x plus 1 terms are there for this denominator x minus 3 into x plus 1. The simple technique is cover x plus 1 from this denominator. Remainder is x minus 3. Therefore, multiply 2 with x minus 3. Then if you simplify 4 times of x plus 3 plus 2 times of x minus 3 from x minus 3 into x plus 1, your answer would be 6x minus 2 over x minus 3 into x plus 1. In this partial fraction, they expect us to split this answer 6x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 1 into form of 4 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x plus 1. How do you get that? That is what you have to learn under this topic, partial fractions. Or other than that, partial fraction is the opposite operation of the algebraic addition or subtraction. Okay, let's try to understand how to find the partial fractions for 6x minus 2 over x minus 3 times of x plus 1. Initially, you can understand the denominator is x minus 3 into x plus 1. Therefore, write two separate fractions with these denominators x minus 3 separately and x plus 1 separately. Still don't fill anything with the numerator. Just write two fractions x minus 3 x plus 1 joined with addition between them. Then after that, for these numerators, fill up two letters A and B or whatever the two letters you like. Generally, we use the capital letters in the alphabetical order. Right. Then you can write 6x minus 2 over x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equals to A divided by x minus 3 plus B divided by x plus 1. Then after that, simplify the right hand side, a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 1. Same way what we did with the algebraic additions, you have to take the LCM x minus 3 into x plus 1. Then after that, a is multiplied with x plus 1 plus b is multiplied with x minus 3. Therefore, it will turn up into 6x minus 2 over x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equals to a times of x plus 1 plus b times of x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 1. Hopefully you can understand up to here. Then after that, you can see from the both fractions the denominators are same and these fractions are similar. If it's so, simply you can equate the numerator. Or other than that, you can, if you cannot remember this all of the fact at once, you just cancel the denominator to denominator. There you can write 6x minus 2 is equals to a times of x plus 1 plus b times of x minus 3. Now our objective is to find the value for a and b. To get the value for a and b, we can use two different techniques. The first technique is called the method of substitution. Second technique is called the method of equating coefficients. We will learn both techniques or both methods to obtain the answers for a and b. First, we will try to understand how to find the value for a and b using the method called method of substitution. First write 6x minus 2 is equals to a times of x plus 1 plus b times of x minus 3, what you obtained from the previous calculations. Right. Then what you need to do is we need to find the value for a and b. Initially, let's try to make the b term 0. How can you make the b term 0? Now you can see if you substitute 3 into x, that bracket turn up into 3 minus 3 turn up into 0, b into 0 turn up into 0b. With that you can get the answer a very easily. Then if you substitute if you substitute plus 3 into this equation, you get 6 into 3 minus 2 equals to a times of 3 plus 1 plus b times of 3 minus 3. You will obtain the answer 16 is equals to 4a, that is a is equals to 4. Now we already found the answer for a. Now if you want to find the answer for b, we need to make the a term 0. How do you supposed to do? If you make x plus 1 equals to 0, you can omit a from this entire equation. Then you can see if you substitute minus 1, what happened to that bracket? Turn up into 1 minus 1, 0, a. Therefore, I'll substitute minus 1 into this equation. Then what do you get? 6 into minus 1 minus 2 equals to a times of minus 1 plus 1 plus b times of minus 1 minus 3. Therefore, you get the answer minus 8 equals to minus 4b. From there, you can obtain the answer for b as 2. With that, you can write 6x minus 2 over x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equals to 4 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x plus 1. Now, the second method. In the second method also, we use the same equation. 6x minus 2 is equals to a times of x plus 1 plus b times of x minus 3. Then simplify the left hand side from equal, that is a times of x plus 1 and plus b times of x minus 3. Remove the brackets and simplify. There you get 6x minus 2 is equals to ax plus a, that is what you get from a multiply with x plus 1 plus bx minus 3b, that is what you get from b into x minus 3. With that you can isolate the x terms and the constant term separately. With that you can write 6x minus 2 is equals to a plus b times of x, which you isolate from the x terms, plus a minus 3b, which you isolate from constant terms. Then if you consider the coefficient of x terms, what do you call coefficient of x terms? Number in front of x term from left hand side to right hand side. That is 6x means 6 equals to a plus bx is equals to b. That means you can write 6 equals to a plus b. That is my first equation. Then consider the constant term. What are the constant term from right hand side? Is a minus 3b. Left hand side is minus 2. Therefore you can write a minus 3b equals to minus 2. Now we have performed two simultaneous equations. By solving these two simultaneous equations, you can get the answers a equals to 4 and b equals to 2. Therefore, you can write the same answer x minus 3 over x plus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 over x plus 3 plus 2 over x plus 1. This is our second example. We need to find the partial fractions for x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 into x plus 1. What you need to do is initially split the two fractions x plus 3 plus x plus 1. Then fill up with two letters a and b. Then it will turn up to x minus 1 over x plus 3 times of x plus 1 is equals to a over x plus 3 plus b over x plus 1. When you simplify with right hand side from equal mark, you can take the LCM x plus 3 into x plus 1. Then there are x plus 1 terms for the denominator, x plus 3 times of x plus 1 for x plus 3. With that you can write a into x plus 1 plus x plus 1 term, there are x plus 3 terms are there for the denominator, x plus 3 into x plus 1 for the denominator of x plus 1. Therefore, you have to multiply with b with x plus 1. If you have two fractions only, you can just cross multiply and you can get the answer as well, but that is not the scientific way. So you need to cover up the denominators as what we did the previous question and try to understand this fact. With that, you can write x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 into x plus 1 equals to a times of x plus 1 plus b times of x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into x plus 1. Then after that, what you need to get is, since the denominators are same, you can simply equate x minus 1 is equals to a times of x plus 1 plus b times of x plus 3. Then I will use the method of substitution to do this question. There you get x minus 1 is equals to a times of x plus 1 plus b times of x plus 3. To remove b, I will make the bracket x plus 3 into 0. That means you have to substitute x equals to minus 3 into this whole equation. Then turn up into minus 3 minus 1 equals to a times of minus 3 plus 1 plus b times of minus 3 plus 3. It will turn up to minus 4 is equals to minus 2a plus 0b. Then you can get the answer a is equals to 2. Then if you want to remove a from this equation, I want to make the bracket x plus 1 equals to 0 in x minus 1 equals to a times of x plus 1 plus b times of x plus 3 equation. Then if you substitute minus 1, you will get the answer minus 1 equals to a times of minus 1 plus 1 plus b times of minus 1 plus 3. With that, you get the answer b equals to minus 1. Therefore, you can write x plus 1 over x plus 3 into x plus 1 equals to 2 times of x plus 3 minus 1 times of x plus 1. Let's try to apply method of equating coefficient to get the same answers using the method 2. We have to learn both methods. It depends on your convenience. You can use any method you like to get this answer. Therefore, you will take x minus 1 equals to a times of x plus 1 plus b times of x plus 3. Then simplify the right hand side. If you remove the brackets, you will get the answer ax plus a multiply with x plus 1 plus b multiply with x plus 3, you will get bx plus 3b. Therefore, you can write x minus 1 equals to ax plus a plus bx plus 3b. Then you get the x terms and constant terms separately. You will get a plus b times of x plus a plus 3b into right hand side, and left hand side become x minus 1. Then if you consider the coefficients of x, you know what I mean by coefficients of x. That is a number in front of x. You can simply say 1 is equals to a plus b. How does this came? Number in front of x in left hand side is 1, right hand side is a plus b. With that, you can get the first equation, 1 equals to a plus b. Then if you get the constant terms, what is the constant term in left hand side is minus 1, right hand side is a plus 3b. Therefore, you can write minus 1 equals to a plus 3b. Then you get two simultaneous equations, a plus b equals to 1 and a plus 3b equals to minus 1. If you simplify, you will obtain the answers a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 1. Therefore, you can write x minus 1 over x plus 3 into x plus 1 is equals to 2 over x plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 1. In this example, we need to make the partial fraction for minus 7x minus 12 over 2x x minus 4. What you need to do is you can split the denominators. What are the denominators over here is 2x and x minus 4. Therefore, you can write a over 2x plus b over x minus 4 is equals to minus 7x minus 12 over 2x into x minus 4. Then simplify the right hand side of the bracket. There you get minus 7x minus 12 over 2x times of x minus 4 equals to a times of x minus 4 plus b times of 2x over 2x into x minus 4. with the fact of the denominators are same, you can simply equate the numerators. There with that you can write minus 7x minus 12 equals to a times of x minus 4 plus 2b. Then if you use the method of substitution, you can write minus 7x minus 12 equals to a times of x minus 4 plus 2bx. By making just x equals to 0, you can cancel the term b from this expression. If you substitute 0, you get minus 7 into 0 minus 12 equals to a times of 0 minus 4 plus 2b into 0. With that you get the answer a equals to 3. Then if you want to remove a from this expression, I want to make my x minus 4 terms into 0. With that you can substitute x equals to 4. Then if you substitute x equals to 4, what you get here is minus 7 into 4 minus 12 equals to a times of 4 minus 4 plus 2b times of 4. That means the 4 should be substituted into the equation minus 7x minus 12 equals to a times of x minus 4 plus 2bx. With that you will obtain the answer 8b equals to minus 40, b equals to minus 5. Therefore you can write the fraction minus 7x minus 12 over 2x times of x minus 4 equals to 3 over 2x minus 5 over x minus 4. Our next problem is to find the partial fraction for 7 minus 3x over x squared minus 3x minus 4. Here the denominator is just a quadratic expression. Therefore, as a first step, we need to factorize it. So you can factorize it x squared minus 3x minus 4 as x minus 4 into x plus 1. If you feel like this factorization is hard, you can refer to factorization chapters in these videos, right? Then therefore what we can write 7 minus 3x over x squared minus 3x minus 4, you can write as 7 minus 3x over x minus 4 into x plus 1. With that, the same format you can write a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 4. Then if you simplify the right hand side from equal mark, you will obtain 7 minus 3x over x minus 4 into x plus 1 equals to a times of x minus 4 plus b times of x plus 1 over x minus 4 into x plus 1. If you can understand that the denominators are same, therefore you can simply write 7 minus 3x is equals to a times of x minus 4 into b times of x plus 1. Then I will substitute x equals to minus 1. If you substitute x equals to minus 1, you can understand that simply b times of x plus 1 bracket turn up into 0. With that you can get an expression independent from b. With that you get the answer 7 minus 3 into minus 1 equals to a times of minus 1 minus 4 plus b into 0. With that you obtain the answer 10 equals to minus 5a, a equals to minus 2. Then if you substitute x equals to plus 4, what you can understand is simply a term get cancel out, and you can understand that answer turn up into 7 minus 3 into 4 is equals to a times of 4 minus 4. The other a term get cancels, b times of 4 plus 1, that is 5b turn up to minus 5. With that you will obtain the answer b equals to minus 1. Therefore you can write 7 minus 3x over x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equals to minus 2 over x plus 1 plus minus 1 over x minus 4. Hopefully I have understood the contents in this video. If you still have doubt, please comment on the comment section. And if you like this video, please put a thumbs up.